Hi everybody, this is Chef Rohan, and today we're gonna make a new burger, the California burger. It's just a classic burger with onion rings and a California sauce that I will show you immediately. At the beginning, this burger was not called the California burger, it was called the Anthony's burger because Anthony's was my first chef and he is the guy who invented that burger. So it's really easy to do. I will try to make it fast. For the meat, it's like usual, 70% of meat for 30% of fat. Okay, so 70-30. Alright, it's black Angus here. And for the sauce, you will need some ketchup, mayonnaise, some brown sugar, and some red wine vinegar. Okay. So I start with the red wine vinegar because if I start with the mayonnaise, it will stick at the bottom of the container, okay? So 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, okay, and now you mix. I pre-cooked the onion ring, so I just have to reheat it just before the serve. Okay. For the meat, it's as usual a bit of rub. Okay, I mixed meat. Now you can make a bowl, press it to get a patty, maybe 2 centimeters thick, okay, 6 to 7 centimeters wide, alright, and you press with your thumb to make a small, not a hole, but a small cavity, okay, to prevent the meat to inflate during cooking, alright. The pit boss Navigator is at the maximum. Okay, so around 260 Celsius degrees, and the sear plate is open, so I can sear the meat. Alright, now we will close the searing plate. So, while the meat is still cooking, I will dress the burger. So, always start with salad. Okay, so there is no sauce on the bread, and the meat will not slip. Let's reheat the onion rings. Onion rings. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you appreciate. This is the California burger from Smokehouse in Europe. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.